Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya. I'm a travel and a lifestyle vlogger, and this vlog is all about the Amazon haul video and what are the summer essential skincare products that you should be buying this summer. So this skincare video is not a regular skincare video. This is specifically focused on the water sports, water activities, because now everybody started traveling, the pools have opened up. I think after 2 years we all went back to the swimming pools, and also recently the surfing activities and kayaking activities, scuba diving activities have picked up in India, and everybody wants to go and do these activities. But there is only one drawback if you do a lot of water sports, is the tan. Your skin gets damaged, you will have a lot of hair fall, you have skin breakages and lot more things. But this shouldn't stop us from doing the things which we really love and excited about. That's why I'm making this video for you, which will be really helpful. So without a further ado, I'm going to start this video. So guys, I have divided this video into two categories. The first category is all about the skincare. This involves pre-swim and post-swim, and the next one would be the swimming accessories like swimsuit, caps and watches and goggles and etc. So the first I'm going to start with skincare. So skincare is very important, especially when you are jumping in a swimming pool which has a lot of chlorine. So chlorine is a chemical used to kill bacteria. That is the whole reason that all the public pools and every swimming pool has a little bit of chlorine, and some swimming pools have excess of chlorine. You can literally smell a lot of chlorine in some of the public pools. So though it helps us, it helps to kill bacteria, but it's super harmful to the skin because it's going to damage your hair, damage your skin. So we have to be extra careful. So the first tip what I'm going to give you guys is, like, before even going for swim, you need to apply a good moisturizer or a good sunscreen lotion which is more than 30 SPF. The reason why you have to apply these things is because the chlorine, when your body is dry, there is a most likely chances that the chlorine can stick to your body or to your hair, and it can create a lot of damage. But if you add a protective layer like a sunscreen or oil or a good lotion, then there are less likely chances that the chlorine is going to stick to your skin. So I'm going to give you a in-depth analysis like what you should do and what kind of products you should use. So I'm going to start with the hair first. So it is very important for you to protect your hair, because hair loss is something that we all suffer because of other reasons also, like bad eating habits, or it could be pollution, stress and anxiety and lot many things, and you do not want to add swimming to that stress. So the first thing that I recommend is that you should definitely wear a cap when you go for swimming, because this really protects your hair from getting into all that chlorine and all the chemicals from the water. So this cap I bought from the brand called Speedo, and it's on Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So Speedo brand is known for making very good swim accessories and swimwear, and it's a very famous brand that you already know. So I wear this cap regularly when I go for my swimming and water activities. So apart from wearing cap, there's also a pre-swim precautions that you should take for your hair. So you need to apply a protective layer on the hair. So the protective layer can be a coconut oil or any oil, or you can apply a conditioner. So I've been using Moroccan shampoo for a really long time, and this is a Moroccan conditioner. So before going for swim, I either apply a nice layer like how I apply oil on my hair. So I apply this and then wear the swimming cap, and then I go for my swim. So if you're not comfortable applying a moisturizer, so I also recommend argan oil. This really works wonders on my hair. So I think I've also done review in my previous video. So argan oil is very good for your hair and skin. Or if you do not want to use argan oil, you can also use a normal coconut oil. So the idea is to add a protective layer before entering into swimming pool and then wear the cap. So once you finish swimming, the moment you finish swimming, you should always get back immediately to the shower. Do not let your hair dry. Normally do not be lazy, because the moment you finish your swimming, the chlorine gets stuck into your hair, in your roots, and it's very difficult to get rid of it later on. So you have to have a nice shower. Again, you need to apply a good shampoo. You need to shampoo at least twice, and then you need to apply a good conditioner for your hair to stay strong post shampoo. So I'm going to leave all these product links in the description below in case if you're interested to buy. Guys, the next next thing is the swimming glasses. So these are very, very important, because also the chlorine or whatever the chemicals and the dirt is there in the swimming pool can affect your eyes, and also this will help you to open your eyes and swim and see the water clearly, so that you can get rid of the fear. Because if you close your eyes and if you swim because of the irritation of the eyes, then you will never be able to confident in swimming, especially when you're new to swimming and you're learning. And so I bought these goggles also, the swim goggles also from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So these comes with adjustable straps, so they are unisex, anybody can wear it and you can adjust it as per your convenience. So yeah, so after this goggles I'm going to tell you how you can take care of your skin. Okay, so moving on to the skincare. So the first and foremost thing that you should remember, that you need to apply a good moisturizer or a sunscreen before going into the pool, before and after, and I'll tell you the reason why. So you know that the water has chlorine, and if you do not apply any protective layer like how you applied for your hair, so the same reason that the chlorine will stick onto your skin, it will actually damage your skin. And adding to that, the sun also will damage your skin. You will have skin breakages and you will have a bad skin suntan. Having said that, you must be wondering, like, if I use any sunscreen or any lotion, it just washed off in the water. So that's why you should always choose a sunscreen which is like a water resistance or a waterproof sunscreen. So I use this Neutrogena sunscreen. This is 50 plus SPF and it is a water resistant sunscreen. So I used it in Goa and everywhere, and I think I've been using it for 5 years, and this really works well. But remember, you need to apply sunscreen at least 20 minutes before going into the pool. That is what you have to remember. So if you're not comfortable applying for sunscreen, I've seen a lot of people working this method of applying an oil or a moisturizer. So you can actually lather your entire body with a good coconut oil, olive oil or a moisturizer, so that also acts as a protective layer from chlorine. So even if you apply a sunscreen or a moisturizer, there is one thing you should remember before getting into the pool, is that you need to take pre-shower. So you must have seen there is a shower zones next to the swimming pool. The reason why is you need to wash your body. The moment you wash your body, the entire lather what you put on your skin, it just activated, becomes more moist. So if your skin and hair is more moist, there are less likely chances that the chlorine will stick onto your skin and to your hair. That is the whole logic why we apply a moisturizer and a sunscreen. So there's also one more sunscreen that I want to recommend. It's called Banana Boat. So that this Banana Boat is there in spray and is also in lotion, and this also comes in a packet for kids. So I know most of you must have joined your kids in swimming pool and must be wondering what sunscreen they should put. So Banana Boat works really wonders, and this is, you can carry it, you can easily spray it on your skin, so it really works good. So I'm going to leave all these links in the description below for you. So guys, the next thing is like post swim care. So you have applied the moisturizer, sunscreen, everything, and you went for swimming, but just after the swimming, like I explained previously, that you need to take shower and you need to wash all of the chlorine immediately, and you need to make sure that you moisturize. So for moisturizing, I specifically use this Dermafique moisturizer. So this is a hydrating cream. So you have to, after your shower, you need to put a very thick layer of moisturizing cream, or you can put a coconut oil or any kind of a body oil, because what happens is, like, your skin loses all the essential oils because you will be in the water for a long time, right? So, and also adding to that, there is a chlorine effect to it, so your skin becomes extremely dry. So make sure you apply moisturizer oil just after your shower. So there is one tip that I want to give you, how you should apply oil or moisturizer. So after you have bath, you should not let your skin dry completely, because the moisturizer and the oil will not, first of all, they will not spread evenly. The second of all, they will not stick onto the skin. So you need to make sure that you just pat dry it a little bit. There should be a little water on your skin, on your face. That's when you apply any cream or any oil, it will stick to the skin and it will give you the best results. So make sure you remember this tip. So I'm going to leave this moisturizer link in the description below. If you're interested, you can buy that. So guys, the next up is the most asked question on Instagram, is like, where do I buy my swimsuits? And recently I've made a reel wearing this swimsuit. So everybody wanted to know where I bought this from. So this swimsuit size is small, and this is from a brand Marks and Spencer's, and you know this is quite a popular brand, very prominent. So they make like really sexy bikinis and also the one-piece swimsuit. So I bought this for 2600 rupees, and it's also on discount on Amazon. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So this swimsuit is just a slip-on, it doesn't have any zip. It also comes with this this pad, so that you do not have to worry about wearing a nipple pads or anything when swimming. And the next up is the watch. So I would love to wear watch every single time when I go for swimming, and then I bought this Baby G watch from Amazon again, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So this watch is completely waterproof and it's water resistant. So I've been swimming with this watch for like almost 2 months and nothing happened, and I wear this watch for almost everything, for my gym, for my trekking, for my winter treks and everything. And this watch like really works, and it's wear and tear, you don't have to worry about anything. So these are the essentials, quite essentials for swimming and your water activities this season. And I'm going to tell you one more interesting fact and things to remember when you're going to water sports. So guys, here are my tips if you are planning to indulge in water sports and water activities this summer. So make sure you hydrate yourself enough. You need to at least drink 2 liters of water, and always carry a water bottle. Even if you're swimming, you make sure you have a water bottle right next to the pool, so that you can, while swimming, if you're tired, you get exhausted, you can take a little bit of sips of water. The second thing is you should always cover your skin with a good sunscreen. So do not neglect that. And if you're staying under the sun or in the water for more time, you should reapply the sunscreen. And the other thing is invest in a good hat or a cap to protect from sunstroke, and a good sunglasses, and also a good swimming glasses if you are swimming. The third thing is, like, once you finish your water activities, make sure you have bath, cleanse yourself completely, and then moisturize your body, your hair. This is very important. And some people might suffer from dry eyes and teary eyes after the swimming. It's because if their eyes are sensitive, and or because if there's too much of chlorine. So if that process, you should consult a doctor, and they will give you eye drops for your hair to soothe in your eyes. So more importantly, stay safe and also follow all these precautions. And in case if you want me to review any swim products, or if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And in case if you have not followed me on Instagram, check out my Instagram handle, which is Pink Pebble. You will see amazing travel, home decor and lifestyle videos. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe right now and click on the bell icon to follow my new videos. And again, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your swimming and your summer activities, and I'll see you in your next video. Bye bye.